Yeah, g'day guys. My name's James Fawcett. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and I just want to say a big thank you for jumping across my YouTube video here. If you can go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, that'll be really helpful in being able to generate more tips and tricks and being able to even give you access to future videos that I can show you guys on how I've generated my seven-figure business going forward. Now, just to obviously show a little bit of proof in the pudding about me generating over $1 million in at least over 1.75 million in affiliate commissions. I've even got it here, right here. And as you can see here, guys, I've done substantial volume in terms of generating sales. So what I'm going to talk about today, guys, is obviously being able to generate, being able to boost and increase your affiliate commissions across the board as an affiliate marketer. Now, I'm a guy that I'm very simple. I don't do flashy videos. I just want to provide you guys value. And the best way to do that is to be raw and open and not do cookie cutter YouTube videos or anything like that. And this is just how I roll. So today we're going to discuss 3 key tips on boosting affiliate marketing commissions. Now, there's tons of platforms out there that be able to where you guys can generate or promote affiliate offers. Now, there's a lot of platforms out there that only really offer 10, 20% commissions, and that really isn't sustainable unless you're doing free traffic. Now, if you're doing paid traffic, you want to get the best return on your investment, and especially if you're doing if you're hiring traffic providers or even agencies, you want to make sure that you get the biggest bang for your buck when people come in and buy the offer that you're promoting. Now, the best thing about some of these, there's 3 platforms, as you can see, that offer 50% commissions or more in terms of products you can promote. And Warrior Plus is probably one of the biggest ones that you can readily be able to generate, 50% commissions or more, and even up to 100% depending on the vendor that allows you to promote. So you can even take away the whole piece of the pie when promoting an offer. And there are other people that obviously give access to customers, allow customers to actually take on 80% commissions, and that just plays a bigger part in the success of an affiliate in long term. Now, ClickBank does that. ClickBank offers up to 75% commissions based on, depending on the offer, depending on the vendor, and obviously even Digistore 24 can offer up to even 100% commissions if they wanted to, depending on the vendor as well. And but mostly if you look at Digistore 24, a lot of the offers on there are either anywhere in the range of 40 to 75%. Now, if you check out, for example, even with Warrior Plus here, there's a lot of, for example, programs that just generally even offer 80, 50 to 100% commissions. Now, if you look at something like this here, there's a product here called Login and Cash In, and if you jump over onto the affiliate page there, as it just says an pure example, they offer 100% commissions on the front end and then 50% commissions on all the upgrades. Now, if you look at, for example, my offer, I have an offer called Affiliate One. At the moment, I offer 50% commissions on all people that apply. And for those that take on, for example, license rights, I provide them 100% commissions on the front end and 80% commissions on all the upgrades. So instead of getting $197 commission, or 100, when someone buys something for $197, instead of getting a commission for say $95, you'll get at least around about $140 to $150 because you got 80% commissions. Okay, so which is pretty sweet. Now, you also want to make sure you have a converting offer. Now, when you have a converting offer, guys, you want to definitely make sure that you're sitting at least around over 10%, for example, here on Affiliate One, at least 10% commissions there, and you want to have at least a OTO or the average sale at least over $20 minimum. There are some very, low converting ones. So, for example, it really depends on the price structure of the funnel as well. So, for example, they've got their front end and then they have all their upgrades, which is in the funnel. It really depends on what that product is offering. Now, for example, if you look at something that has OTOs of up to $300, they're going to have higher EPCs, which is pretty cool. But not necessarily those higher upgrades pop off as much as what a $97 or a $197 upgrade would. Now, if you, for example, if you look at Affiliate One, which just has a pretty good conversion rate, for example, here, this is my offer, so I've got 100% commissions on that. 197, 97, 97, 67, 197, 147 on the VIP inner circle. Okay, so this just allows more people, to get, especially with the upgrades, get more return on their investment on their leads that come in. Now, when you have a converting offer, it really helps. And especially if you build a responsive email list, that means that you have your opt-in page dialed in to get the best possible click, get the possible opt-in rate that you possibly can. So for example, here, I have an opt-in rate that page that averages anywhere between 63% to 40%. And I show how I do all this within my program of Affiliate One, and even like 54% here. There's a whole range, and then even sales on how to generate really good converting sales just on being able on the front end. Now, this is only when people come into the funnel. And as you can see here, I've sent a lot of traffic via a lot of traffic providers in this through a specific funnel that I show you guys within my Affiliate One product. So guys, when you have that dialed in, and also we go through on how we teach you how to do copywriting. Now, copywriting, you want to have converting email swipes that get really good open rates on the subject line, and also a really good body email as well. Now, when you have that body email, which basically describes what the product is or what you're trying to promote them, and have a really good call to action. And when you have that call to action, that allows them to click on that link in the email, allows them to go over to the page and being able to buy. And that all starts with this process here of being able to do that. Now, you can't have this unless you have a platform or an offer to convert. So they all marry in each their own way. Now, when you have a converting swipes, guys, and you build that list, you're going to have a really good engagement. You're going to have a really good focus on the deliverability as well with your email list, high open rates, high click-through rates, and more sales that come through. Now, that's the best thing about what we do in Affiliate One. So guys, if you are keen to jump on Affiliate One, I'm going to add a special action bonuses or fast action bonuses. If you are watching this video, I'm going to throw in about 10 of my past products, which will complement the Affiliate One process. If you go to bonusbyjames.com, simply just go to bonusbyjames.com. That will take you to Affiliate One. You buy Affiliate One through that link, and I've given guys a special $7 off coupon, which is automatically applied to checkout, and you guys will get that for $9.95, which is down from $16.93, and you'll be able to take advantage of that. And on top of that, I'm going to throw in my first ever product, breakout code. I'm even going to throw in breakout code 2.0, breakout code reloaded. I'm also going to give you my 70K in 30 days fast start. All right, so you do have the option to purchase this as a bump, but don't do that. I'm going to give you guys that for free. If you jump on and go to bonusbyjames.com, I'm going to give you my 70K in 30 days fast start guide, and that'll help you guys get more leverage and more traction in terms of getting started on your affiliate journey and boosting those sales and boosting those affiliate commissions going forward. Now, this is a limited time option. This is what It's a fast start only, so that this time is limited. And if you miss, you will miss out if you don't take advantage of it. All right, guys. So, guys, definitely jump on. Like I said, you really want to focus on three core components. Choose the right platform. Find out where the best commissions are, the biggest commissions are, which is where, and you got to look after yourself. And that's the best thing, and that's the most appropriate thing to do, is that find the best product that you feel that's going to promote for you at the best possible commission rate. Then find that offer and find that offer, make sure it's converting, and build a responsive email list. Have your own opt-in page. We provide everything here within Affiliate One. We give you a bunch of offers, guys. Getting approved for an offer is the hardest part, and we offer that within our Affiliate One product. And we give you guaranteed approval on Affiliate One straight away as well. So, which is even better. So, guys, focus on how to boost your affiliate commissions is to literally get the right platform, find the right commission structure, get a converting offer, all right, that works for you within any niche that you want to be. All these products have, all these platforms have different niches. If you want to do dating, if you want to do BizOp, if you want to do MMO, like make money online, if you want to do more love and relationships, gardening, pets, it's all there, all right? And you can obviously build that list to cater for that as well. All right, guys, so I'm really looking forward to you guys jumping on Affiliate One. Go to bonusbyjames.com and we'll catch you inside. Cheers, guys.